హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం వర్డ్ టాస్క్లో ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ టు ఇండికేట్ ది కరెక్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ ఆర్గాన్ అనే టాస్క్ ఒకటి కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. ఇందులో మొదటగా మనకు కొన్ని క్లూస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. స్టమక్, టంగ్, కిడ్నీస్, హార్ట్, బ్రెయిన్, లంగ్స్, స్కిన్, ఐస్, ఇయర్స్ అండ్ నోస్. ఈ క్లూస్ ఆధారంగా మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఫిల్ చేయాలి. The dash pumps blood. Which organ? The answer is heart. The heart pumps blood. The dash pass out waste matter. Which organ pass out waste matter? The answer is kidneys. The kidneys pass out waste matter. The dash help us to see. Which organ help us to see? The answer is eyes. The dash is the organ by which we smell. Which organ by which we smell? The answer is nose. The nose is the organ by which we smell. The dash is used for tasting and swallowing. Which organ is used for tasting and swallowing? The answer is tongue. The tongue is used for tasting and swallowing. The dash help us to breathe. Which organ help us to breathe? The answer is lungs. The lungs help us to breathe. The dash are the organs for hearing. Which organ helps for hearing? The answer is ears. The ears are the organs for hearing. The dash is the outer covering of the body. Which organ is the outer covering of the body? The answer is skin. The skin is the outer covering of the body. The dash is the organ where digestion takes place. The correct answer is stomach. The stomach is the organ where digestion takes place. The dash is the center of feeling and thinking. The correct answer is brain. The brain is the center of feeling and thinking. Thank you.